Hi friends, Miss Caitlin here. So this is what our project is. I need you to grab someone older, your mom, your dad, your grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, someone who is older and can handle a pair of scissors. So I need you to grab a pair of scissors with your parent or guardian, so you're safe. And I need you have your parent look for these. You should get them in the mail. You could get them at the grocery store, at CVS, at Walgreens. They are like, I guess, to tell you what's on sale. So I want you to take these. As you can see, I've cut them to pieces. And I need you to grab your scissors and I want you to cut out pictures of healthy foods with colors that coordinate to the rainbow. So 3 red things, 3 orange things, 3 yellow things, 3 green things, 3 blue things, and 3 purple things. Now I'm letting you know the blue and purple are quite hard to find, so if you can't find 3, if you can't even find 1, that is okay. But after you safely cut them out and you have them in piles, you can get a piece of white paper. I'm going to show you how to fold it into 6 boxes for our rainbow colors. So first, you take your piece of paper, you fold it in half, like a hot dog. Some of you might know that, hot dog ways. Then you take both sides and you fold it in. And then, when you take it apart, you have 6 boxes, and then I outline them with pencil. And then I wrote all the colors. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I did color a little circle so you guys can see, for you that don't read. So what you're gonna do is, after you take those things you cut out, you paste them onto the paper. Very easy. You just need a glue stick, scissors, and some coupon stuff. And you got it. So I'll show you what red things that I have found, all the colors, all the healthy foods I have found. So for red, I have found lobster. Have you ever had lobster? Some of you may not, but after they are cooked, they are red, bright red, and they are very good for you, and they taste so good with butter. Okay, next I want to pick out some drinks that are healthy too, because I didn't really go over too much drinks in my chart. So I cut out some drink choices. So I have the red Gatorade. These are my kids' favorite, the red Gatorade. And then these, I didn't have this on my list, but I should have, because it is one of my favorites. They are cherries. You guys may have had these at home. They are good for you and they taste really good. You just gotta watch out because sometimes they have pits. For orange, I have cantaloupe. Who of you have had cantaloupe? This is actually really good. I think we've had it at our parties when our parents bring in some fruit. I think we all have tried this. It is really good. You just gotta watch, because sometimes when I eat a lot, it gives me a little bellyache. Next is, of course, I cut out Gatorade again. There is an orange Gatorade. That is good for you to have. Has electrolytes in it. I'm sure you've seen the commercials. Last but not least for orange is cheese. Who likes cheese? I think everybody likes cheese. Cheese doesn't really like me. It does give me a bellyache if I eat too much of it. Same with my co-teacher, Miss Sherry. She's lactose intolerant with me, so if we eat a lot of cheese, we do get belly aches. But I had to put it in there. I didn't put it on my chart, so I needed to put it in here. For yellow, this was actually a little hard to find, but I did find some yellow things. This one is a yellow onion. I know a lot of you, when I was younger, I didn't like onions. My kids don't like onions, but me and my husband love onions and they're good in a lot of dishes. So I suggest you just give it a try. It is good and they are healthy for you. And I did put this on the chart, is bananas. Actually, I only found 1 of these. I thought I would find tons of bananas on sale. Apparently, they don't go on sale very often. And last but not least, this does look white, but they are yellow. It is corn. You see that a lot in the summer. I know we just bought a few things for corn on the cob that we want to eat. My kids love corn. I love corn. It's a good summer dish to have. Next is green. So first, I had to cut this out. It is pickles. I love pickles. I think they are healthy in moderation because they can give you a sore tummy if you eat too much of them, but they are good for you. They're pickles. And then I didn't have this also on my list, is celery. I like celery. I like to cut it up and then have a little bit of ranch on it. It is healthy for you, a good vegetable to have. And then there's two things on here. It is broccoli and peas, and they are both green. I know we both had them at lunch at our school, so they are good for you. I especially like peas. All right, next is blue. So this is blueberry yogurt. I know that the packaging is blue, but blueberries also are blue, so that's blue. Oh, and there's a smoothie that's blue apparently on there too. And then I had to put the blue Gatorade because these were actually really hard to find. I did cut out the red one, but there is blue Gatorade behind it. And I know this isn't blue, but the packaging is blue. It's water, Aquafina. I figured I needed some kind of drink in there, so I threw this in there. The packaging is blue, but you know, you'll take it. It's blue. So next we have purple. This was really hard to find. I couldn't find a lot of things that were purple that were in these catalogs. I know I came up with 3 things that were purple, but this was quite hard. So first, I only cut out like half of it because I kind of messed it up. It's called Raisin Bran. It has raisins in it, and the box is purple. So I'll take it. Next is Powerade. It is purple. There you go. And last but not least, grape jelly is purple. So once I have all my things, I have 3 of each. You don't need to get 3 of each. I just did it. And you glue it onto your paper. So right now I'm going to take the 3 things that we went over and glue them on your paper, and I will show you when I'm done. Sound good? Awesome. Okay, friends, I have glued on my healthy foods, and I hope you like it. Look good? I hope yours look the same, and you could send me some pictures. I would love to see what you guys came up with. I hope you have a good day. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.